summer flip-flop and sandal season.
Are your feet dry and cracked from the winter weather? We have the perfect essential oil recipe to help you get your feet nice and pretty.
This beach feet sugar scrub is the perfect way to get your feet ready for sandal season, and we get to use essential oils to make it.
Let's make this simple and fun recipe.
You'll want your June recipe box, and you will find your recipe cards and stickers. You'll also be using our new body oil base. This is a blend of carrier oils to dilute essential oils, and it's amazing for DIY skincare recipes like this one.
And for the essential oils from your recipe box, timber. It smells amazing and it's really great for skincare. Whole wood, and last but not least, sweet orange. And from your kitchen, you're gonna wanna grab a 1/4 cup of sugar and a sealable container.
Let's get making. So first we're gonna dilute our essential oils in our carrier oil, and we are going to use a tablespoon of our body oil base.
And you'll add 3 drops of timber.
2 drops of whole wood, 1, 2. And 2 drops of orange essential oil. And we're gonna stir it. Once this is stirred and the essential oils are well diluted in that, we are going to mix it with our sugar. You're gonna wanna mix it until the oil is all incorporated throughout the sugar.
Last but not least, put it into a sealable container like we have here, and make sure that you label it.
To use it, get your feet wet, use a spoon to dish out a little bit of the sugar scrub, and then with your hands, massage it across your feet to exfoliate.
Be careful that you don't get any water into this recipe because it will make the sugar dissolve and it will make the shelf life shorter.
This recipe took less than 5 minutes to make. It's a fun way to use your essential oil, plus a great way to take care of your skin. To gain more confidence and clarity with essential oils, check out the Simply Earth recipe box.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe now button. You'll get all kinds of fun recipes just like this and many more.
Thanks for watching.